Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the starter on a Nissan Murano. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your battery's negative terminal. Next, ensure you have all your tools ready, including various wrenches and sockets. Finally, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands before working underneath. This preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Once your vehicle is safely supported, locate the starter motor. It's usually found on the passenger side, connected to the transmission bell housing. Carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire. Then, using the correct size socket, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter to the engine block. Keep track of these bolts for reinstallation. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. And speaking of staying energized, working on cars can be thirsty work. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated with an Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drink cold while you're under the hood. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old starter removed, carefully position your new starter motor into the same spot. Align the mounting holes and reinsert the bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reconnect the main power cable and the solenoid wire, ensuring they are snug. Double-check all connections to prevent any loose contacts that could cause issues later. After securing the new starter and all connections, carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring a tight fit. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Get into your vehicle and attempt to start the engine. Listen for a strong crank, indicating a successful starter replacement. If it starts, you've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.